In this video, we're going to explain what 5G is and why it's so important, as well as some major health concerns critics claim the technology may cause. Hi everyone, today we'll be talking about 5G technology. Now, some of you may have heard the term before, but not know what it means or how important it actually is. Well, today we're going to figure that out for you. Welcome to Tech Ed and Beyond. The next generation of superfast mobile data connectivity promises a lot. It could deliver speeds of 10 gigabits per second connectivity for the Internet of Things, IoT, and could allow users to download full-length films in seconds. While some of these claims may be slightly dubious, what is clear is that 5G technology will bring about a step change in the coming years. Now, let's see what 5G technology or 5G connectivity actually is. 5G technology is the fifth generation of cellular network, and it is fifth generation of mobile wireless standard. 5G will provide more speed, higher capacity, and lower latency than all previous networks. It uses advanced signal processing to connect users at very high data rates while using less power than before. 5G service trials had been occurring in some countries since 2016, and the 5G commercial services began in 2020. With 2019 being mainly focused on 5G deployment on various 5G networks. It is referred to as 5G, however, is that there isn't an official and universal definition for what constitutes a generation of mobile technology. The International Telecommunication Union, ITU, the United Nations body responsible for drawing up what we would consider to be universal standards, has come up with a set of specifications that new technologies must meet in order to qualify as 5G, but it's not yet decided what these standards will look like. Before we get to what 5G means for consumers, consider subscribing to our channel and give us a thumbs up in this video. Leave your comments below to let us know what your thoughts are about 5G technology. And now, let's get back to the subject. The first thing you can expect from what will be considered as 5G technology is what could be described as superfast internet speeds. In theory, what you could expect from 5G is what's known as true fiber broadband. This means what you enjoy now in terms of how fast your connection to the internet can go will soon become what you take for granted. What might also be included in what you would consider to be made available through what you could class as 5G technology is what's known as connectivity for IoT, which means your phone will hook up with other devices and appliances around the house, such as smart fridge and security cameras. 5G will also enable what's known as hyperlocation. What this means is that what you can expect to soon enjoy what's currently offered through what you would consider 4G technology in terms of the number of users who are able to access mobile internet at once, especially in dense urban areas, will be much greater. One thing that's important to note about what 5G technology could offer is that what you could consider what's enjoyed through what's known as LTE at today will still continue to exist. That means what you would consider what the majority of people in the UK enjoy right now, which is known as 4G, will not become unavailable overnight when 5G becomes more widely used. There's still debate on what should be considered as true 5G technology. However, it will be available around the world soon. What might happen in relation to what could class as 5G technology is that what will become available through what is known as 5G Lite infrastructure, meaning what you would consider LTE technology could be updated to work with 5G infrastructure. As much amazing as the technology sounds, 5G technology has come under criticism for its use in military weapons, which could have serious consequences for 5G's development and its mass rollout. Critics are concerned that 5G will be used to develop 5G weapons or 5GW. 5GW are weapons that use 5G transmissions to disable electronic equipment covertly by means of destroying or disrupting functions. 5G signals are preferable for 5GW because they require less energy than microwaves, which are commonly used in current 5GW. The main 5GW currently in development is 5G radio jamming or 5G electromagnetic pulse, EMP, weapons which use 5G transmissions to interfere with cellular communications and power systems. 5GW could also be used as mobile devices that can act as jammers at closer proximity disrupting 5G service for large areas of the public. 5GW could also be used to destroy physical equipment. It may even have applications in a covert assassination using 5G. They also said the technology could induce epileptic seizures or cardiac arrest by disrupting normal bodily functions. 5G is seen as an emerging technology. It will make use of high-frequency microwaves which cannot be stopped by walls, and therefore 5G can penetrate inside homes. 5G used in 5GW may result in people being unaware that they are under attack because 5GW cannot be seen, heard, or otherwise detected by victims. The fear itself is mostly about the militarizing 5G technology, meaning 5GW. Other than that, there is no issue or trouble when civilians are using the technology itself. Critics also reported the 5G technology could cause serious danger as it could penetrate human organs due to its high frequency, the same way it happens with walls and other physical objects. This theory, however, was proven to be wrong. Several experts on the biological effects of electromagnetic radiation prove radio waves are way safer at higher frequencies, not the other way around. Also, the protective effect of human skin would protect the body from any harm that radio frequencies may cause. This is called the shielding effect, where the skin acts as a barrier and shields internal organs from external exposures as it blocks the higher frequencies of sunlight. So nothing for us to worry about. And now, let's look at what the future holds for 5G. Major U.S. corporations, including Qualcomm, NVIDIA, Skyworks Solutions, etc., heavily support the integration of 5G as it promises vast improvements in speed and responsiveness. Statista reports that the technology will move from $5.53 billion in 2020 to $620.72 billion by 2030. The technology will certainly change everything from the way we use social media on our mobile devices to how we stream content on our smart TV. That's everything for this video. If you enjoyed the content, please leave us a comment to let us know, or if you have concerns about 5G. Don't forget to give us thumbs up as well as subscribe to our channel as we share info about technologies that will change your future. Thanks for your time and have a good one.